think I'm here. What's the room number again?
Number 108.
Alright, cool.
And we ain't gonna stop unless the cops come knocking. If not, we gonna keep the party rocking till we see the sunlight.
Hey yo, sun rooftop, butterscotch seats. You are now listening to EOM beats. Wait.
This is not fun, guys. I thought it was gonna be fun, and then I'm like, wait, I'm about to get my expensive ass car stuck in the sand for however long, and I gotta get a tow and all that. But so far, so good.
Some discipline, so fresh and so clean.
My man E should be getting like 30 G's every time that he's on the boards like 40 keys. Starkey, please, why you on that hurried steez? We laid back.
The packed down sand seems super easy to drive in, like a gravel lot, or like really light snow minus the slippage. The packed down part is the easy part. It's the dried, unpacked dune-like sand that is the issue.
Rockin' till we see the sunlight.
Got my veggie patties, drinking my cup, feeling good. Scram! I brought the pasta for the vegetarians, and brought the vodka for my auntie Sharon. As soon as I'm done rolling up, I'ma cook up some salmon. As soon as I'm done grubbing, you gon' get whipped with some Maddie. And I better not be the cops, bro. No. It ain't even 10 o'clock, yo. Rushing to go and get the dough. To my surprise, it was Johnny Park. Damn, I thought you was the narc.
Guess who's back in the motherfucking house? Brought a big.
Alright, back on the surface streets. We have survived a week on the beach. 4x4 only, all-wheel access, all-wheel drive, and the BMW X1 did all right. Now, I'm not going to say it's the best vehicle, because it is definitely not that. But it handled its own. If the sand were a little deeper, we might have been in some trouble. We might have gotten stuck like some of these other vehicles. I have no idea, but I have no idea why, but I just saw an Audi look like an A4 on the beach. Why were they on the beach? I don't know. But they are totally stuck. I know Audis have all-wheel drive on the Quattro and all that, but the car is just entirely too low. And the 7.1 clearance of a BMW X1 is almost too low. Not 7.1, 7.9 clearance. I wouldn't recommend below an 8 for regular 4x4 all-wheel drive type things. But if you have to do it, it'll do it. And I'm proud of it. I like my little car. Alright. Alright, this is Biggie Pauls, signing off.
They craving the show that we ain't playing.